Come on guys, I'll show you the Sheltersuit factory. Welcome to Sheltersuit Foundation. Here we are working to create our suits. Sheltersuit Foundation produces waterproof jackets with the option to attach a sleeping bag to it. We give it away for free to the homeless. All those products are made in our social factory, mainly by Syrian refugees, and all the materials we use are leftovers from the textile industry. So the product is completely upcycled, and together with all our supporters we are people helping people. These bags are completely upcycled. For instance, these are car seat belts. This is upcycled tent fabric. We printed on it with ecological ink. This is deadstock leathers. These are the straps and the webbings of the Sony shoes. And the coolest thing is that on the inside you can see that we used Chloé fabrics from past collections. By buying this backpack, we are able to protect 2 people that are experiencing homelessness. Thanks to this collaboration, we can protect 1,100 people that are forced to sleep outside. We can give jobs to people in our factory, and we're upcycling a lot of materials. So for me, it's a picture perfect win-win-win.